Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in this video I have created this very simple 5 minutes college makeup look. So if you like this look, please keep on watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So at first I'm moisturizing my face with this Bella Vita Glutathione face and body lotion. Now this is extremely moisturizing and this is one of my current favorites. Then I'm just applying Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50. Now whenever you're applying sunscreen, please be generous with it guys, because it is a matter of your skincare, right? Next I will be applying Swiss Beauties concealer. By the way guys, I can't remember all the shades, so what I will do, I will just link all the products in the description box below so you can have a look if you wish to. Next I'm blending this concealer nicely, which is very important. Now I am already having a dewy base, which is something I just love. Next I will be using this Nykaa's compact only on those areas of my skin where I have put the concealer, because I don't want to mattify my face a lot. Now this is a Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. So what I do, I just brush my eyebrows down first, then I just fill it up, and then I just draw my eyebrows. And this eyebrow pencil is very affordable and very pigmented, and I really like it a lot. Next I will be using this Lakme Iconic Brown Kajal. First I'm going to use this Kajal on my waterline, and then I'm going to use this Kajal very randomly on my eyelids, because with my index finger I'm going to dab it off like this, because it gives a very nice soft effect, and a very fresh look, you can say, and I really like this effect. Now I will be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. You just have to wiggle you just have to wiggle your eyelashes so that you can get fuller and thicker lashes. This is a tip, by the way. Now to moisturize my lips, I'm using this Lakme's Lip Love lip balm, and then I will be using this Swiss Beauty 05 Fire Pink lipstick, which I have got recently, and I like this pink color. It's a blue tone pink color which suits each and every skin tone, but it has become a bit glossy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just mattify it. I'm putting a little bit powder and then putting the tissue paper on my mouth area and just dabbing it off, so the excess lipstick has come off. Now I'm getting the perfect lip shade which I want. Now I'm using the same lipstick on my cheeks as a blush. I really like this thing. You can use any lipstick on your cheek as a blush and save a lot of money from this lip tint and cheek tint, and yeah, it gives a very nice effect, but don't put too much, then it will become a bit messed up, it will become a bit cakey. So yeah, it is giving me a nice flushed look. I'm using the same lipstick just a little bit on my eyes, and then dabbing it with my index finger. Now all these steps are optional. If you do not want to do it, please skip it. To add little more depth on my face, I'm adding the same lipstick on my nose area, and I'm then just dabbing it off. So this gives me a very fresh look, and this is what I got, guys. This is the final look. I'm just taking off the band so that you can see how I look. By the way, if you have liked this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon, guys, and yeah, see you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.